Now let us practice the loop that on that example we discussed in last video. So this was the part we discussed in last video. Now let us try to make a loop diagram over here only. We are interested in this gap, calculating this gap, right? So we can start from that end, or we can start from the green component, that is component number from that side. So let us start from this surface only, right? Now this dimension is given, it is given in limits, so we have to convert first this into equal bilateral, that is upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2, that will be the value, and upper limit minus lower limit divided by 2, that will be the tolerance value, plus or minus tolerance value, right? So we are here, we will move from there to there, other side, right? And that will be A for us, okay? That will be A for us. Now what happened? We are on this surface and this dimension is given on drawing. So what we will do, for the component number 2, we will move from there to there, that is B for us. Now both surfaces are in contact over there. So as surface to surface contact is there, we can jump from the component number 2 to component number 3. So we are on this surface of the component number 3, and from that surface the dimension is given, this dimension is given, right? So I will go from there to there using the slot height, right? Slot width. So that is 1.00 plus or minus 0.05, that is C for me, and then 0.82 plus or minus 0.5 I have to reach to other side. So that is D for me, right? A, B, C, D. Now I have to use this thickness because the component number 4 is in contact on that slot over there, right? So I have to go that side in this direction using this length, right? 0.25. So C, D, E for me. Okay, I am on the dead end where the component number 4 is in contact over there. So I am over there, right? And I have to go till there. So I will go from there to this surface. This height is given 0.40. So that is E, F for me, and this overall length is given. Need not to use this. Why I will go to there? Directly from there this dimension is given, right? G for me. So in this way we prepare loop diagram. This is not required to be used in that tolerance stack up analysis. This one is not needed to include in tolerance stack up analysis, right? So we have to consider these things very in a way that that is going to affect the tolerance stack up or no, is going to affect this gap or no. So these dimensions are not going to affect, we are not going to include that into tolerance stack up analysis. So in this way we prepare loop, then you can prepare the stack up table as well. So this is how we prepare loop, right? We wanted to calculate this gap, so we can start from either of the end. Let us start from there. So in this slide, so that is A for me, I reached there, that dimension is given on drawing. Then that is B for me, I will reach till here, that dimension is given on drawing. Then I will go back till this surface, the depth of that slot on component number 3 is given on drawing. I will use that and will back till there on that back surface. So that is C for me, right? That is C for me. And then I will move from there to there, that width is given, right? That is D for me. And then I will go from there to there, that surface is in contact and this dimension is given, so that is E for me. Need not to consider this height because that is not going to contribute anything. So I will move from there to other side of the slot, that is F for me. And then overall length of that slot is given, that is G for me. So in that way we are closing the loop. So in this way we prepare the loop diagram, and then we prepare the stack up table, and then we calculate the minimum and maximum gap. I hope this is clear to you. Yes, any question regarding these things we can always discuss. Into our live class, right? You can always enroll to that. You have to send me the mail that I mentioned in the first video, right? You have to send me mail, so I will enroll you that, and we will do a live session for you, so you can always come up with your questions. We will discuss. We are going to practice some more examples over there as well. So that is what the plan is.